I'm Kathy Hester, and I want you desperately to get your Instant Pot out of the box and use it. So I have a 5-day email challenge for your Instant Pot, and it's all free. So I'm hoping that you'll sign up. So first you're probably going, what's an email challenge and do I have to do stuff? Well, you can, and what will happen is things come directly to your email every day for 5 days, really 6 because you get a welcome email that in case you really haven't taken your Instant Pot out of the box, I give you a video that shows you an unboxing, so that way you'll be really good to go. After that, every day you'll still get a video about a recipe and some tips and tricks in your Instant Pot. You'll also get a recipe to make every day. And if it's a recipe you like or don't like, you could always choose a different recipe. So that's what the free 5-day Instant Pot challenge is. So if you don't know me, I'm Kathy Hester. I have the blogs plantbasedinstantpot.com and healthyslowcooking.com. I'm the author of 11 vegan cookbooks. 10 of them are traditionally published, and I have 2 Instant Pot cookbooks. So I have the Ultimate Vegan Cookbook for your Instant Pot, and it has lots of good yummy details in there too. And I have a new book that's coming out next month, which is gluten-free vegan cooking in your Instant Pot. So both are similar in that they all have recipes that are good if you are soy-free, oil-free, gluten-free, follow a certain special diet, or have an allergy. I try to give options for all of those as much as possible. So if you join the 5-day Instant Pot email challenge, if there's something you can't eat in one of the recipes, all you have to do is reply to it, and I will try and find you either a different recipe or a way to make that recipe work with your dietary needs. So I hope that kind of tells you. Also, if you don't have an Instant Pot per se, but another electric pressure cooker like the Mealthy or one of the bazillion ones that have come out lately, or if you have a combo like the Ninja Foodie, those are all going to work with this as well. So I hope to see you in the challenge. Just down below, all you need to do is put in your email address and then subscribe. Then the next step is going to be in your email, you're going to confirm that, and that tells me that I can send this challenge emails to your email. You will also be signed up for the Plant-Based Instant Pot email list, which you can immediately unsubscribe from if you'd like, but that way you'll get lots of good, yummy Instant Pot recipes as well. So I hope you're having a wonderful 2020, and I'll look forward to seeing you in your inbox.